Adding sound effects to Instagram Reels has never been easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects to your next Instagram Reel. Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. We're going to add sound effects to Reels. So let's start. We're in Reels and I'm just going to film a quick shot. Just going to make it nice and simple. I'm just going to film a shot of this. There we go, mainly just to have video in there. I'm going to go to preview. And then I'm going to add the sound effects. So to access sound effects, you'll see when I press preview and I have the menu up top, that's when I can access audio features for the entire video. So I'm going to press that music note, and then I'm going to see here at the bottom, it says sound effects. So I just click on sound effects and all of my sound effects will come up. So there's lots of options here. I could scroll through them. There's air horn, applause. Let's go through some of these just so you can get a better understanding of how to use them. So first of all, you can see that my cursor is going to move across my video. Now wait till it goes to the beginning again and I'm gonna press the air horn. When I push it, that's when it's gonna play. Say I don't like this air horn, I can go back and then get rid of that. And then I can add sound effects to specific parts. So let's say I want applause here at the end. So I just press it. I can also pause it. So if I pause it, I can just put the indicator where I want that sound effect to start. And then I can pick my sound effect. And then you see it's just going to have it appear. So now I can play it and see exactly where it's going, here where it's gonna play. So I can add multiple sound effects, so I can add them by playing through and waiting to see where I want to add them. And then I can delete them, but I can only delete them in the order that I put them on. So I have the violin next. There we go, it comes out. I can take that one off. I can take that one out, and then there we go, we've got none of them. Let's quickly film something that I can use a sound effect for. Let's do the evil laugh. So I'm gonna go done out of here. I'm gonna done out of here. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna delete this boring clip. And I'm going to film a clip of me, and I'm going to turn around and I'm going to do a laugh. There we go. That's probably really bad acting. This is why I'm not enacting. This is why I did tutorials and not entertaining videos, because I can't act. So let's preview that. That was my attempt at an evil laugh. It looks ridiculous. Let's not pay attention to that. So we have the menu up top. We can press that music button, and now we can press sound effects. And so now we're just gonna try to line it up to where I do the laugh. So I can move the cursor to get it right there, or I can pause it, and so I can get it right at the beginning. It's harder to see that way. Let's just wait for it to play out again. I can't just hold down on the sound effect and move it. So I can either try that again. The laugh is a little bit longer in the sound effects than it is, so I would try to probably refilm this so that my laugh is a little bit longer so I can match the sound effect itself. Let's add a nope here when I do that gulp. There we go. So you can see you can have a lot of fun with this, adding effects to it, playing around with what there is, using it for different things, and really just being creative and having a good time, because that's what Instagram Reels are about. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have videos out each and every week. Until next time, peace!